Hi, good day. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, Mom, sir. My name is Mona Lisa J. Abelio. I am 33 years old. I am married. I have two kids, age 2 years old and 6 years old. My education, I am undergraduate with a course associate in hotel management.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have two siblings, one brother, one sister, and I am the eldest.
Can you please tell me about your working experience?
My working experience as a domestic helper in Taiwan for 3 years. My duties, I cook meals, I do ironing, I do cleaning, and washing clothes.
Do you take care of children in Taiwan?
Two child,
What are the age?
for 10 years old and 14 years old.
What will you do if the baby cry?
If the baby is crying, I will check the diaper if it is wet. And if it is wet, I will change the diaper. And if the baby is still crying, I will sing a song and feed the baby. And lastly, I will check the temperature.
Do you know how to shower a baby?
I will prepare lukewarm water, soap, towel, and I will make sure water doesn't spill on baby's eyes, nose, ears, and mouth.
What if the children is naughty and not listening to you?
If the baby is naughty, I will encourage them by playing, singing a song, doing alphabet, counting numbers, and I will have a great patience for them. And I will uh, make sure I will find the baby to catch their attention.
Why do you want why do you want to come to Hong Kong? We will take care of your children.
I want to come in Hong Kong to earn money to support my family financially, and my children, my husband will take good care of them.
What will you do if the baby or children is sick?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature and I will put cold fever on his or her forehead, and I will tell the parents to go to the hospital for the checkup.
How about if you have homesick?
To avoid homesick, I will make myself busy. I'll focus on my work. I will treat my employer as my own family, and I will put in my mind that I'm in a distance to earn money for my family.
Would you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am, sir. Wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am, sir, because we have dogs and cats in our home.
Are you allergic to any food?
I don't have any allergies of food, but I don't eat spicy.
What food can you cook?
I can cook Filipino native food and some of Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods.
Can you accept no day off that will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you accept take care of the person and assist all their needs?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Are you willing to clean the car with extra pay?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you promise to cut your hair short if you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am, sir.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, sir.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper because I am honest, cheerful, helpful, and hardworking person. And I can also work under pressure because in my past experience, I work as a barista in a very well-known restaurant, and every day I'll encounter any kind of customer. As a helper, I am willing to learn, follow employer's instructions, and I promise that I will finish my employer's contract and as long as the employer need me. I will treat your home, your family, the same care, respect as my own family. Thank you, ma'am, sir. I am hoping for a positive